Hello everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, have you read ghost stories? Are ghosts real? So today we are going to read a ghost story that is A Night at a Cottage by Richard Hughes. It was a rainy night and the atmosphere was scary. There was a haunted cottage in Worcestershire, a beautiful country in central England. The cottage was empty and was in a muddy garden. There was number of pale dead sunflowers and huge unwanted wild plants moved in the rain. A wanderer who was a thief had recently escaped from Worcestershire jail took shelter in the cottage. Inside it, the darkness was damp and heavy. He hit a match and placed the rusted stove to get his wet boots and clothes dry. When he was about to sleep, he got frightened to hear the sound of footsteps. Now someone else entered the cottage. The narrator sat himself squeezed in a corner. He was too afraid. The stranger didn't notice him and walked straight over to the stove and warmed his hands in it. He wore old and worn clothes. The water was dripping from him on the floor. The narrator thought that he was also a wanderer like him, and he gave him some sort of greetings. The stranger explained the narrator that the cottage is empty because it is haunted by its previous owner, who drowned himself down in the mill pond several years ago. And there are some who say that now he walks up and down this cottage. After a short conversation, the narrator asked the mysterious man to get his wet shoes and clothes dry. But the mysterious man made a little laughter and answered him that the people like him can't get dry ever. They always remain same, whether it is wet or fine, whether it is summer or winter. Then he suddenly pushed his muddy hands up to the wrist in the fire, brightening over there madly. By seeing that, the narrator discovered that the mysterious man was a ghost, and he got frightened. And without thinking anything else, he caught up his two boots and ran crying out into the night. So, students, in this story, we can see that the idea of narrator about the mysterious man changes. In fact, at the beginning, he thinks that the ghost is a wanderer like him, but then he discovered that he is not a human, he is a ghost.